I will discuss some important MCQs from antipsychotic drugs. Question number one is neuroleptics are used to treat option A neurosis, option B psychosis, option C narcolepsy, option D Parkinsonism disorder. The correct answer of this question is option B psychosis. Question number two is most antipsychotic drugs, option A, strongly block postsynaptic D2 receptors, option B, stimulate postsynaptic D2 receptors, option C, block NMDA receptors, option D, stimulate 5-HT2 receptor. The correct answer of this question is option A, strongly block postsynaptic D2 receptors. Question number three is which of the following dopaminergic system is most closely related to behavior? Option A, the hypothalamic pituitary system. Option B, extrapyramidal system. Option C, the mesolimbic and mesofrontal systems. Option D, chemoreceptor trigger zone of medulla. The correct answer of this question is option C, the mesolimbic and mesofrontal system. Question number 4. Hyperprolactinemia is caused by blockage of dopamine in option A, the chemoreceptor trigger zone of medulla, option B, the pituitary, option C, the extrapyramidal system, option D, the mesolimbic and mesofrontal systems. The correct answer of this question is option B, the pituitary. Question number 5. Parkinsonism symptoms and tardive dyskinesia are caused by blockage blockage dopamine in option A, the nigrostriatal system, option B, the mesolimbic and mesofrontal systems, option C, the chemoreceptor trigger zone of medulla, option D, the tuberoinfundibular system. The correct answer of this question is option A, the nigrostriatal system. Question number 6. The extrapyramidal reactions can be treated by option A, levodopa, option B, benztropine mesylate, option C, bromocriptine, option D, dopamine. The correct answer of this question is option B, benztropine mesylate. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is true? Option A, D1 postsynaptic receptors are located in striatum. Option B, D2 pre and postsynaptic receptors are located in the striatum and limbic areas. Option C, D4 postsynaptic receptors are located in frontal cortex, mesolimbic system, and option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 8. Which of the following antipsychotic drugs is typical? Option A, clonazepam, option B, quetiapine, option C, haloperidol, option D, olanzapine. The correct answer of this question is option C, haloperidol. Question number 9. Indicate the atypical antipsychotic drug. Option A, haloperidol, option B, clonazepam, option C, Thioridazine. Option D, thiothiazine. The correct answer of this question is option B, clonazepam. Question number 10. Atypical antipsychotic agents such as clonazepam differ from typical one. Option A. In reduced risk of extrapyramidal system dysfunction and tardive dyskinesia. Option B. In having low affinity for D1 and D2 receptors. Option C. In having high affinity for D4 dopamine receptors. Or option D. All up above. So the correct answer of this question is option D. All of the above. Question number 11. Tardive dyskinesia is the result of option A. Degeneration of dopaminergic and cholinergic fibers. Option B. Hyperactive dopaminergic state in the presence of dopamine blockage. Option C. Degeneration of histaminergic fibers. Option D. Supersensitivity of cholinergic receptor in the caudate putamen. The correct answer of this question is option B. Hyperactive dopaminergic state in the presence of dopamine blockage. Question number 12. Which of the following antipsychotic drugs has high affinity for D4 and 5-HT2 receptors? Option A is clonazepam. Option B is fluoxetine. Option C is thioridazine. Option D, thiloperidol. The correct answer of this question is option A, clonazepam. Question number 13. Indicate the antipsychotic drug which is a phenothiazine aliphatic derivative. Option A, thiothiazine. Option B, razapidone. Option C, chlorpromazine. Option D, clonazepam. The correct answer of this question is option C, chlorpromazine. Question number 14. Indicate the antipsychotic drug which is a butyrophenone derivative. Option A, droperidol. Option B, thioridazine. Option C, cetirizine. Option D, fluoxetine. Flufenazine. The correct answer of this question is option A, droperidol. Question number 15. Indicate the antipsychotic drug which is thioxanthine derivative. Option A, haloperidol. Option B, clonazepam. Option C, chlorpromazine. Option D, thiazine. The correct answer of this question is option D, thiazine. Question number 16. Indicate the antipsychotic agent or dibenzodiazepine derivative. Option A, flufenazine. Option B, clozapine. Option B, C, razapidone. Option D, droperidol. The correct answer of this question is option B, clonazepam. Question number 17. The strong antiemetic effect of phenothiazine derivative is due to dopamine receptor blockage. Option A, in the chemoreceptor trigger zone of medulla. Option B, of the receptor in stomach. Option C, the medullary vomiting center. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 18. Phenothiazine derivatives are able to option A, alter temperature regulating mechanism producing hypothermia. Option B, decrease level of prolactin. Option C, increase corticotrophin release and secretion of pituitary growth hormone. Option D, decrease appetite and weight. The correct answer of this question is option A, altered temperature regulating mechanisms producing hypothermia. Question number 19. Most phenothiazine derivatives have option A, antihistamine activity. Option B, anticholinergic activity. Option C, anti-dopaminergic activity. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 20. Indicate the antipsychotic drug having significant peripheral alpha adrenergic blocking activity. Option A, haloperidol. Option B, chlorpromazine. Option C, clozapine. Option D, razepidone. The correct answer of this question is option B, chlorpromazine. Question number 21. Indicate the antipsychotic drug having a muscarinic cholinergic blocking activity. Option A, chlorpromazine. Option B, chlorprothiazine. Option C, risperidone. Option D, haloperidol. The correct answer of this question is option A, chlorpromazine. Question number 22. Indicate the antipsychotic drug having H1 antihistaminic activity. Option A, clonazepam. Option B, chlorpromazine. Option C, olanzapine. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 23. Parkinsonism syndrome, acute dystonic reaction, tardive dyskinesia, antimuscarinic actions, orthostatic hypotension, galactorrhea are the possible adverse effects of haloperidol. Option B, clonazepam. Option C, chlorpromazine. Option D, risperidone. The correct answer of this question is option C, chlorpromazine. Question number 24. Orthostatic hypotension can occur as a result of option A, the central action of phenothiazines. Option B, inhibition of norepinephrine uptake mechanisms. Option C, alpha adrenoreceptor blockage. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 25. Adverse peripheral effects such as loss of accommodation, dry mouth, tachycardia, urinary retention, constipation are related to option A, alpha adrenoreceptor blockage. Option B, muscarinic cholinergic blockage. Option C, supersensitivity of dopamine receptors. Option B, D, dopamine receptor blockade. The correct answer is of this question is option B, muscarinic cholinergic receptor blockage. Question number 26. Which of the following phenothiazine derivatives is a potent local anesthetic? Option A, fluphenazine. Option B, thioridazine. Option C, chlorpromazine. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option C, chlorpromazine. Question number 27. Which of the following phenothiazine derivatives have produced cardiac toxicity, including ventricular arrhythmia, cardiac conduction block, and sudden death? Option A, thioridazine. Option B, chlorpromazine. Option C, perfenazine. Option D, fluphenazine. The correct answer of this question is option A, thioridazone. Thioridazine. Question number 28. Which of the following antipsychotic agents is preferable in patients with coronary and cerebrovascular disease? Option A, chlorpromazine. Option B, fluphenazine. Option C, haloperidol. Option D, perfenazine. The correct answer of this question is option C, haloperidol. Question number 29. Which of the following antipsychotic agents is used in combination with an opioid drug phenytoin in neuroleptic analgesia? Option A, haloperidol. Option B, droperidol. Option C, chlorpromazine. Option D, clonazepam. The correct answer of this question is option C, option B, droperidol. Question number 30. The mechanism of haloperidol antipsychotic action is option A, blocking D2 receptors. Option B, central alpha adrenergic blockage. Option C, inhibition of norepinephrine uptake mechanisms. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 31. Which of the following statement is correct for clonazepam? Option A, has potent anticholinergic activity. Option B, has high affinity for D1 and D2 dopaminergic receptors. Option C, produce significant extrapyramidal toxicity. Option D, is related to typical antipsychotic agents. The correct answer of this question is option A, has potent anticholinergic activity. Question number 32. Which of the following antipsychotic drugs has the high risk of potentially fatal agranulocytosis and risk of seizure at high doses? Option A, haloperidol. Option B, risperidone. Option C, clonazepam. Option D, chlorpromazine. The correct answer of this question is option C, clonazepam. Question number 33. Which of the following antipsychotic drugs has high affinity for D2 and 5-HT2 receptors? Option A, droperidol. Option B, clonazepam. Option C, thiothiazine. Option D, risperidone. The correct answer of this question is option The correct answer of this question is option D, risperidone. Question number 34. Lithium carbonate is useful in the treatment of option A, Peptic mal seizures, option B, bipolar disorder, option C, neurosis, option D, trigeminal neuralgia. The correct answer of this question is option B, bipolar disorders. Question number 35. The drug of choice for manic depressive psychosis is option A, imipramine, option B, chlordiazepoxide, option C, isocarboxide, option D, lithium carbonate. The correct answer of this question is option D, lithium carbonate. Question number 36. Lithium mode of action is option A, effective on electrolytes and ion transport, option B, effect on neurotransmitters, option C, effect on second messengers, option D, all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Question number 37. Which of the following statement is correct for lithium? Option A, stimulate dopamine and beta adrenergic receptors. Option B, decrease catecholamine relative activity. Option C, stimulate the development of dopamine receptor supersensitivity. Option D, decrease cholinergic activity. The correct answer of this question is option B, decrease catecholamine related activity. Question number 38. Which of the following adverse facts is associated with lithium treatment? Option A, cardiovascular anomalies in the newborns. Option B, thyroid enlargement. Option C, nephrogenic diabetes insipidus. Option D, all of the above.